Ready to get your Samsung Galaxy phone connected to the world for calls, texts, and blazing fast data. Let's dive into safely inserting and removing your SIM card. First things first, you'll need your SIM ejector tool. If you can't find the one that came with your phone, a small paperclip bent straight will do the trick. Locate the small pinhole on the side of your Samsung Galaxy phone. It's usually near the SIM tray itself. Gently insert the tip of the ejector tool into this hole and apply a light, steady pressure. You don't need to force it. The tray should pop out smoothly. Now, carefully pull the SIM tray completely out. You'll see a perfectly sized cutout for your SIM card. Make sure to orient your SIM card correctly. There's usually a small notch on one corner that aligns with a corresponding notch on the tray. Place your SIM card into the tray, ensuring it sits flush. Once it's in place, slide the tray back into the phone until it clicks securely. To remove, simply repeat the process in reverse. Locate that familiar tiny pinhole, insert the ejector tool, and gently push to release the tray. Once the tray is slightly out, you can carefully lift it and remove your SIM card. It's that simple to stay connected. And there you have it. Your Samsung Galaxy is now properly connected and ready for action. Stay in touch.